Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a unique style of junk journal that has alternating pages and a double cover. This junk journal looks like a standard printable junk journal at first glance, but it opens up with a double cover, and when you flip the pages, they alternate from left to right. I've made this particular journal with a 1/4-inch spine, but you could make it with a wider spine and include additional pages. The assembly process is the same, regardless of the number of pages. To make this journal, I'm using the latest printable junk journal kit from the Junk Journal Printables Club, titled The Moonlit Abyss. However, you could make it using any type of printable junk journal pages. This junk journal is really unique, fun, and easy to make, and there's no sewing required. To get started, first print out the pages that you're going to use. For the cover, print 2 pages front and back onto cardstock. These will be joined lengthways and then folded to create the cover. If you want to embellish the cover as I've done, print 1 double-sided page which can be cut into 2 pieces and then glued onto the front covers. For the inside pages, print each page onto one side of a sheet of lightweight cardstock or copy paper. I've printed 7 double pages onto lightweight cardstock. All the pages, including the papers for the cover, should be the same size. To make the pages, fold each of the pages in half and press with a bone folder to make a sharp crease. Measure across the width of the folded pages. This will be the width of the cover. The pages are going to be glued together back to back, so assemble the pages in the order that you want to insert them into your journal. You need 2 stacks of pages. I'm using 3 double-sided pages per stack, plus 1 single half page for the last page. I've printed the pages onto lightweight cardstock, however you could also print them onto copy paper. The page stacks need to flip in opposite directions, so make sure to assemble them correctly. The pages on the left side open from the center and flip to the left, and the pages on the right side open from the center and flip to the right. Leave the end page, as this is the page that will be glued to the cover, and apply glue to the underside of the second page. You could use liquid glue or double-sided tape. I'm using a strong craft glue stick. Carefully align the edges of the third page on top of the second page and press in place. Then continue to glue all the other pages together in the same way. If there are any misaligned edges, cut them away with a pair of scissors. Assemble the pages for the opposite side in the same way. To make the cover, first join two pages together along the short side using a piece of double-sided tape. Then make 4 creases along the length of the cover to create the sections. The front left cover, the back cover, and the front right cover are the same width as the pages. The width of the spine sections will depend on the number of pages you're inserting into your journal. To calculate the width, measure across the width of the spine on the stack of glued pages. My width is 1/4 inch. Fold along the creases and press with a bone folder. The cover should have 2 fold-over front covers, 1 back cover, and 2 spine sections. You can embellish the front cover sections by cutting a journal page to size and glue each of the pieces to the covers. I've also machine stitched around the edges of the pages just to add a bit of extra embellishment. To assemble the journal, glue the underside of each of the first pages to the inside of the cover. To finish off, you can also add some page embellishments such as folios and pockets and envelopes.